Hey friends, if you wish to adjust the screen size on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, one thing is adjusting the size of all these icons and elements, and that is a different thing if you individually want to do it for the icons. But changing the screen size, I strongly recommend against this. However, I will explain the procedure and then my recommendation. So, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Okay, and then select display in the right pane. Okay, you'll find the scale here. There is a recommended value and you can obviously change it. So the scale is the size of the text, apps and other items, not just the icons, all other items. And the display resolution is the height to width ratio. In both of these cases, I strongly recommend you keeping the value at recommended, but if you want, you can change it. That's up to you. But I strongly suggest against that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.